In today's video, I want to share with you one of the PowerPoint tips that might prove helpful to you in your journey of presentation. Now, sometimes when we create PowerPoint presentations, we would like to have maybe our logo or a write-up on all the slides, and it should be permanent. But you don't want the situation where you have to copy and then paste the same writing all over again. What I mean by this, so if you look through this slide, you can see that this is a slide on research report, and let's say we decided to add some logo, right? Logo. So instead of the normal way of going to insert, come to pictures, insert from wherever you want to insert from, whether device or online. So we look for the icon we want to insert. For instance, in this video, let's say I want to use this particular icon as my logo. So I will insert this icon over here and then size it all the way like this, something, and then I put it at the top over here. Okay, make sure it's aligned with my text. Now this is all good until you realize that for each slide you create, you would have to copy the image onto the next one. For instance, if I want it to appear on the second slide over here, I would have to come here, click on it, copy, and then come down here and then paste, right? That can be a little bit daunting. So to avoid instances where you have to duplicate slide or repeat some things, what we can do is, first of all, we copy this. Okay, so let me cut that right there. So I cut it. So what I would like to do is that for each new slide I create, I would want the logo to appear on all of them. So in that case, I will come to the view tab and then I go to slide master. Okay, so under the slide master option, so the first set of slide, you see this is for the title slide. This is for if you want a header and some subtext, but those are not the ones that we are interested in. We are interested in this blank slide over here, the one that has only the date, the footer, and then the page number. This is what we are interested in. So I come onto this page, then I select home. Okay, remember I've already copied the logo, so I will just paste in this case. Now if yours has not been copied yet, you just go to insert, then come to pictures. Whether you want to insert the logo from your device or stock images or online, you can do that. So but mine has been copied already, so I will insert it over here. All right, so let's say I would want to add some text or something, so I will just click on text under the insert tab, click on text, and then let's say I write something here like lab results. Let's say this is what I want to be displayed on all my slides. So I select a font that I think is okay for me. So I'm using Urbanist semi bold and increasing the font size a little bit, and then I move it something like this. Okay, so let's say this is something that I want it to appear on each and every slide that I insert. Now the fact that I've already added this to this blank slide on slide master option means that each new blank slide that I insert in PowerPoint going forward from here will have this as my logo appearing at the top. So if I come back to slide master option and then I close this view, you realize that it will apply that effect to all the existing slides that I have over here. So if you see, this is the title slide, so it is not on the title slide, but all the new slides that I have outside that, all of them has lab results on top as the logo. Okay, so yes, so that is how we do that. So what it means is that if, let's say I come here, I want to insert a new slide. If I do that and I insert a new blank slide, you can see that automatically it comes with this as the logo. And when you are in this tab or in this view, you cannot delete or make any changes to this logo. Okay, it is permanent. So if you want to edit it or do something to this, you have to come to view, slide master before you do anything to it. Okay, so let me just take that off, and then I close the slide master view. Okay, and then you can see that it is gone, so we no longer have that over here. So this is what I have for you today. So now you know how to add maybe a watermark or a logo, or maybe something that you want to add to either the header or the footer, or anything you want to add to your PowerPoint and you want it to be repeated all throughout. That is how you do it. You do it in the slide master view. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.